Yo. Smile. Pussy, they match up. Odi Woola, they match up. Smile. Yo, what is up, guys? Jamaica's giving you another reaction. Yo, I'm excited about this. Now, this is what I'm talking about. It's about time. Teejay, Fire in the Boat. Jamaica series. Charlie Slack, big up yourself. Me see in the ghetto with you. Me see in the ghetto at the thing. I take only pictures and the thing, me G. But me never know say I Fire in the Boat. You down there, but I just started just come forward in, come link up with your friend, man. Whatever you do. But big up yourself. Fire in the Boat is in Jamaica now. That is what we're talking about. Showcase some of Jamaican youngest and baddest and most creative. Also. So, we're going to jump straight to the one here. Big up Teejay. You don't know what Teejay kick off the series. There's nobody more better than kick off the series than this youth. Teejay is so talented. And Teejay, I'm an artist. Teejay, I'm a singer. You see me? The man just sing with that passion, brother. So, let's jump in and see what I want. Let's go, Teejay!
Man, you outside. This your business. Why free now? Man, run up and boy and fire fry you this house. Them soft like cookie dust. Empty a clip in your head. Me want see you get up. Dead them.
Them soft like cookie dust. I'm excited for this one. Let's go.
I know you're gonna dig this.
Oh yeah, perfect.
Oh man, it's got to that all-important time of the show. Once again, my favorite part of the show, Fire in the Booth.
Jamaica,
and we're doing something special. We've been doing something special. We are coming from live Kingston, Jamaica.
Definitely.
And right now I got something of epic proportions.
My place and my place.
Something that I've been waiting for. Something that I know is gonna shut down the world on a global scale. People all over the planet gonna be talking about this thing right here. We got something for you right now. Something for you, the people. It wouldn't be right if I come to Jamaica and didn't touch base with Teejay.
Definitely.
So we're bringing that for you right now. You know what time it is when you hear this, right?
No. My artist. Run up on the pussy them. Show them what you have. Show them what you got, my G. Let's go.
Yeah. Outside. Yeah, you know. You
excited about that one, How long is it? 10 minutes?
Fully up,
let's go.
You understand? Up top cam forever. Four kind of badness. You understand? We all clap. Archibaldo. Yeah. Archibaldo. Yeah. Why we bad, sir? Why we bad, sir? Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah. Yo, Charlie. Get the money and the stash and the dope. Out of sea and no fish under the boat. Boy, them a bait like Jack and the Pope. Gonna spit fire like Jack and its sport. Yeah.
Don't suck yourself, pussy. All you know about like this. Not time. Yo.
You know, up top camp. So Charlie Slack.
Artist.
Understand? We all clap.
Artist. This is a real artist. This is a real artist.
Yeah.
Stage performance.
Archibaldo.
Studio performance.
Yeah.
Personality wise.
Why we
talent wise. The man is different. Let's go.
Yeah. Yo, Charlie. Get the money and the stash and the dope. Out of sea and no fish under the boat. Yeah. Boy, them a bait like Jack and the Pope. Yeah. Gonna spit fire like Jack and its sport. Yeah. Lift up we have on patrol. Dog them bad and we bowl.
You know what I'm saying? Lift up every app. Lift up what we have on patrol, bro. We lift up what we have on patrol like a bomber clad soldier through the community. Hey! What was that?
Out of sea and no fish under the boat. Boy, them a bait like Jack and the Pope. Gonna spit fire like Jack and its sport. Yeah. If up we have on patrol. Dog them bad and we bowl. Charlie Slack, your Tower Hill, your Whitehall, White Pre Dams Road. Them boy they do bad like me too. Watch too much game and be a gun show. Conk in a fight from the big slug nose. Big cow killer bun skin like.
Conk in a fight. Yo, Teejay does different, dog. Teejay, let's go.
Them boy they no bad, them a joke, you know the thing go. You may see your Charlie Slack, fully up, no bully up top camp, beauties. Watch out there. Rich badness, like a brandish pan hip. My dog them flip bricks pan bricks. Yeah. Roll through the town with a rich bad bitch. Me clap them having some Indian stitch. You know the thing go. England stitch. Fully up. Drip, Dung. Diamonds and money, hey where you feel like them time you're so curry. Go stain me neck, them diamonds are bloody. Yeah, cheap, gun, true. So try not go run with your mind, not so lucky. Yeah, can't all a story. Girl, them love up with style and melody. Girl, see the size and the fight, so she love it.
Yo, the talent of this guy, pan the rhythm. Like, this is not a normal Teejay rhythm, but Teejay does talented dog. It just make it look easy, bro.
And now one night she want ride on it.
Perfect, perfect.
You know the finger, man. We outside.
Magic.
Fully up, Charlie Slack.
Hey, Teejay in the car. Told you on some savage shit right now.
Yeah. Why you play PUBG, feel him a killer now? Cow killer now, one figure killer cow. Big 45 brain fly like Piccolo. Yeah, me know where that thing a go.
He's heating up.
Yeah.
Just a start up, man.
You know, expensive style.
Just a start.
See him, so.
Watch your boss now.
And let's run the next rhythm, man. Next rhythm.
Yeah,
Teejay in the car.
Fucking hell.
Yeah.
Yo, turn the rhythm up little in my ears there. You understand? You know we drink Hennessy for days and smoke the pain away and understand.
Where you drop now?
Yeah. All the time them I'm on the there. Watch out there. Hey, we both said hard. Smaddy if you gone to the mark. Burn like a shankan. Dead like dog. No say you want no bad man. You come a road with gun in your hand. Them miss your one ball. 4 pound clap in your face. Close casket at your finna. Head bust like ball. Charlie Slot take with them y'all. Blood run like mineral. Life of a killer. We go link sicker. Make a step with the brand new spinner. Smaddy if it dead anybody we buck up in a. Hold this. We left you on the pillar. And we clap that cigar. Roll 2 ends and bun down villa. Ravers, killers, we are killer, bad, mad, sick, skiller.
Perfect.
Rest of the beretta, shot at tear up on no sweater, gunshot a go stamp on no block a letter. Oh yeah, go for man a stepper. Real dopey make gunshot bun you like pepper. Smaddy lie down when me rise my gun. 9 binds in a 38 slide down. When he file down, boy try run, lie down. Die young, then we go a bag of buy rum. Charlie, and I just know man a bust gun. No, I don't know we a bust gun. No, some boy them a just come. So we send them a hell, we no must come. Kill all of them try bill.
Wanna hear how much time the man change him style? Wanna hear how much time him change him flow? Wanna hear how much time him change up, dog? You see the versatility in a Teejay, bro? Teejay is a giant. Teejay is a young fucking giant in the business, bro. Now, it's not and this is not an exaggeration or a joke. Pre this dog.
4-5, flash like lightning, all when you hide. Man, not take your life still. Anywhere you go, Charlie, start to find him. There's a to the novel, like a jungle in the mud, and me press it till the zebra, till me finger them tired on the club. Roll like a lion in a Saiyan man a drop. Empty the 𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂 with a pan a shot. You know the style going on, man.
Wow.
Let's see it, kick it off.
Wow.
Like a ball.
Chase.
Yeah, man.
Man ain't come to play no game, told you.
No.
That's why I be waiting for this one.
We can sing something with them no pan the rhythm, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Since I M10 bill it. Alright, watch out there, Charlie. Them say we turn it up, we turn it to one notch again. We money enough, we get them no for that bad them. We service myself, member, we no got a lot of friends. And once them a shot at them. What them know about Charlie them? Alright then.
Finish him.
Teejay in the car, fire in the boot, J.A. Kingston. We in the building, we ain't done yet. Final lap settings, some legendary business right now. We're gonna be talking about this for decades.
Them say fire in our boot, we don't want to lie in our boot.
Yeah,
Here's
it's
the
sweet.
days.
Fire night boot.
Gimmicks, you see?
Hey, the big man.
You know
Hey, the
style,
big
bro.
man.
Final lap, bro.
Some say 4 corner, the whole of this. UTC, up top camp, forever, Jada Nights.
Yeah,
outside.
Issue business.
Why pre now? Why pre? Why? Yeah! We not take bully up, we lift you see up. I tell us what they have to do the tot. Man badness fully tough. Up top running road now, we not take bully up. We condemn, we fully tough. Man run up and boy and fire from you this house. Them soft like cookie dust. Empty a clip in your head, miss want see you get up. That. I could lead them one war better than go war them girlfriend.
Them, I couldn't leave them war, better go war your girlfriend. Yo, when I see Teejay a perform and Teejay take a step back from the talker phone and start, you know, say him a go put on some lyrics, you know, right? You know, say Teejay is about to flip the script, you know, right? Yo, Teejay, yo, the man live performance him just always get me, bro.
Yeah.
Hey, pull it. We have to go again. Ain't going no further. We got it again. We're gonna tear that one from the tippy. Let's get it, man.
Yeah.
Teejay.
You know the thing, go. Some say London,
What
some say
about
Bristol,
Jamaica right
some
now,
say
man? What
Birmingham,
about
you know the
this?
thing, some
What
say
about
Manchester,
this?
some say Leicester, yes sir. You know the thing, some say the whole of this. I understand we outside, and we are going with the vibes with Charlie Slad. You know the thing, this is the Up Top Boss. Follow me by Instagram, my name is Teejay, the Up Top Boss. Watch out there. You know the thing, you know the thing. Girl run me down and push them, that show me window, and it's me and Kimbo, and I say she want to fling so on. Alright, watch out there. We not take bully up, we live fuse up. Tell us that somebody have to do the touch. Man badness fully tough. Up top run the road, no, we not take. No, we gun them, we full it up. Man run up and boy and fire fry you this house. Them soft like cookie dust. Empty a clip in your way, me want see you get up. Dead them.
He's on fire.
I couldn't read them more world better than go war them girlfriend. Yeah. Then we drive like them. I them more better than go war them girlfriend. Better than go war them girlfriend.
Ready?
Yeah. Shot back foot and neck. Anytime when me mass up, take out me gun and go to one step. So
that brother, you just fucking Teejay. How you bad, sir? Teejay. How you bad, sir?
shot back foot and neck. Anytime when me mass up, take out me gun and go to one step. Somebody a go dead, dog you want bet. Coulda Sue and Jeff, me a Kuv and Quef. Pull up and can him, Kappa swan him. Them see man ballin', mama ban him. Say fi go from man him, no ballin'. But when we asphalt him, yeah, them
Perfect.
coulda eat them better than go hard them girlfriends. Yeah.
Y'all straight them a girl or the girlfriend.
$1 billion, bad mind I hear me, my don't like.
Naga.
Tell me when that I go, greatness in my blood, them a fi go billa. Statue, promise me say pour me now. Get a youth for your love, no girl we not live wanted. Charlie so rich life that we breathe right now. We not idle out my days. Them live life, me not die young.
Watch out, watch this style.
Like, watch out, yeah. Bitcoin, flipping money, so we do the line. Washing money, dirty money, we do the grind. Connection strong like a the Wi-Fi.
Well.
Mexican no live the poppy lifestyle. Colombian Ford with couple white ties. And me still a hustle like me a white Nike. Me girl like Rosa, we a buy rice.
Mad!
Mad.
A to B, done. Frying the booth, demolished. I told you I something special, I never lie, I'm never wrong, I always come correct. Teejay, one take. No stop, no start. Jumped in, body the thing live. And that right there, legendary.
Expensive style.
Expensive style.
Straight up.
You can't afford this, even if you're a billionaire, you can't buy this.
That's true.
That's true.
Come like an NFT that you can't afford. And that right there is fire in the booth.
But. So this series, I will be keeping a close eye on it. Come on and react to all of them. So if one drop, I'm gonna know, I'm gonna see it. Please leave in the comment section. Just leave in the comment section of this video. Say, yo, new Fire in the Boat drop, Jamaican series. Let me know. I'm gonna react to all of them. You see me? I think one of my friends upon it too. Pampote upon it. Pampote, I'm a G. Pampote, big up yourself, mama. You see me? Pampote upon it. So I'm excited to see Fire in the Boat also. So that's why I'm gonna leave that one, guys. If you enjoyed one like I did, please leave a like on the video. Please subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys in the next one. As always, is it? I got Teejay up top boss. Jane, I'm myself. Don't know up top camp.